Cable ties are also very commonly called zip ties. These are very useful strips of flexible plastic fasteners, usually made of nylon, which are devised to tie or hold things together, such as cables or electrical wires. In the household, these are commonly used to secure plastic bags so that the contents do not spill out. And in order to release the cables or to open up the bags, we normally cut the cable ties and discard the used ties. Unfortunately, these plastics are not biodegradable and will end up polluting the environment and cause a lot of damage to the ecosystem. So, in the interest of conserving the environment, we must not discard cut cable ties and try our best to reuse the cable ties by not damaging them when the ties are released. In this video, we will teach you how to release a cable tie without damaging it or cutting it. Look at a cable tie. One end of the tie is flexible and has a row of teeth, commonly called a ratchet. On the other end of the tie, there is a head which has a hole. In the hole, there's a hinged piece of plastic called a pawl. When we put the flexible end of the cable through the hole in the head, the pawl clicks onto the teeth on the flexible end and locks so that the cable tie cannot become undone easily except by cutting it. So if you want to release the tie, all you have to do is to pull the flexible end to one side, put your fingernail onto the pawl and pull it down away from the teeth to release the lock. Then you can carefully pull on the cable tie from the other end to open up the tie. And there you will find that you will not damage the cable tie at all. Now this is an example of a tie that has been used to tie a household plastic bag. You want to remove the cable tie without damaging it. So if you turn the head around, you will notice that the lock is there. Just put your fingernail on the pawl and you pull it down a bit away from the teeth, and then you can remove the other end. And there you are. You have actually released the cable tie without damaging it, so you can reuse it and help save the environment.